quick update on the 53. We just got the condenser installed for the AC, the vintage air. So we just got that put in, and we're going to try and mount an alternator and stuff on the LS. We've taken apart the radio, partially apart. The radios in these cars are huge. This is all connected. And what we're taking it apart, and we're going to dismantle this section off here because there's no room for it to put it in the dash. And then we're making it look like everything works, which it actually kind of will. It's going to be a digital deal with Bluetooth and USB and an amp and stuff on it, but it'll be the actual factory radio, which would be kind of cool. So yeah, that's the gist of it right now. You can see some of the rack and pinion down there and the Heights front suspension. We did go with a TCI, back springs and stuff in it. And we installed a diff in it that would be, I think we pulled it out of the Nova, if I remember correctly. Is what it come out of. So it's got new shocks, new springs and stuff in the back. Lowered it down a little bit with the TCI. It is getting white walls and stuff. I think they're going to be about 2.5-inch wide whites. And it's going to look all stock inside. We're going to leave all that. We're going to install that wiring harness yet and rewire everything. The old girl's actually in nice shape. So yeah, we'll keep you posted on it. We've got quite a bit to do to it yet. We're going to install some nice lights, headlights in it. And then we got to hook up all the wiring in the LS, and we got to get that all running. So we got a little ways to go yet, but we'll get it figured out. We'll try and keep you guys posted and see if you're interested in what we're doing with it. So yeah, we'll take it from there. We'll be back.